Today, on Tuesday, October 6th, answer this question on page 96 through 98. It says, what are the 6 different physical properties? If you completed yesterday's lab, then you know what physical properties are. A couple of examples of those would be mass, weight, solubility, etc., etc. You can go to page 96 through 98 in your online textbook in order to find that out. Now, your modified lab for the day, you are only going to be completing the second page. The second page that says solve a one-step equation. That is all you have to do at home. Okay, so 1 through 5 is all you need to answer. Now let's discuss that. Yesterday we introduced the idea of density. Density is labeled in grams per cubic centimeter. Okay, so what you are going to do is use the formula D equals M over V. M stands for mass, V stands for volume. That's why it is labeled in grams per cubic centimeter. So you are going to look for the weight, which is labeled in grams, and you are going to look for the volume, which is labeled in cubic centimeters, and you're going to divide those two. Of course, you may use your calculator. So for example, number 1, if the mass of a solid is 25 grams and its volume is 50 cubic centimeters, what is its density? You know that D equals M divided by V. So you would take M, which is 25, and divide 50, which is the volume. And that would be mass divided by volume. And then your label is going to be in grams per cubic centimeter. That's what I'm going to be looking for when I am grading this. Okay, sometimes I give you the density and then I ask you what the mass is. For example, that's number 5. So you are going to plug and chug and solve for the unknown. Again, just to clarify, you do not need to do anything up here. You do not need to do anything down here. You are only completing the solve a one-step equation. Okay, and that's what you're going to put here on solve one-step equation. You can just delete this part, and I will know that you weren't here, and you will get full credit for your lab. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget about your science notebook that will be due on Friday. Have a great day.